What's going on, everybody? Today we have a pen from Urban Survival Gear. This was a micro drop that they did last week, and it is in the grenade pattern. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so like I said, this is a micro drop. This is actually my first pen from Urban Survival Gear. So very cool to finally check one out. I've been kind of waiting for a pen that kind of fits what I like in an overall look and appearance, and I definitely like the frag pattern. If you follow the channel at all, you definitely see that in a lot of the gear that I like to buy. So this is my first time with his pens. Very smooth action. That frag pattern feels really good in the hand. It gives you some pretty good traction, but not sharp or anything like that. The texture overall, you got the kind of dark gray finish with a nice polished frag pattern inside there. Very nice and even from end to end. Very, very sharp. He has a couple more versions coming out. Like I said, these are micro drops, so he's only making just so many of each different version. I think he's got a dark green coming and so on and so forth. I would definitely get over there and subscribe to his, on his website for updates if you're interested. And I do believe that his pens use, the gel. So he's got a gel insert. Very nice. Nice threading. Feels good. Yeah, very cool. This is, like I said, first time I've experienced his pens. And I gotta say, it feels light in the hand. The action's very nice. Got that bolt clip action, so very, very cool concept. It does have a gap, which helps avoid scraping. I would be a little concerned of the overall detent of hooking onto anything thin. It's probably best that it's thick material, because otherwise you're just not going to get much bite there. But we will check that out and see how it works out. But overall, first impressions, pen feels really good in the hand. That frag pattern looks good. The action, super smooth. No wiggle in the bolt at all, which is always good. I do like the pen tip does come out very nicely too. Sometimes the pens, very little of the tip actually comes out. Sometimes you can't even see the tip. So overall impressions, very, very nice. Good machining, good action, and very good looking pen. So there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video and first impressions of the Urban Survival Gear with grenade pattern. We will catch you next time. Have a great day, guys.